What is happening on YouTube? What is happening? YouTube just updated their monetization policy and many channels are being demonetized, especially AI generated content channels. So in today's video, I'm going to shed more light about this set of categories that has been introduced into the YouTube inauthentic content policy. YouTube hasn't made any official statement or drop an update in their YouTube monetization policy page. So everything still remains as it is since 2025. But already this category has been taking effect. Some hours ago, before I started this recording, a creator reached out to me. She told me that she wanted to appeal YouTube's and demonetizing her channel. So I told her to send me details that I will need to check if it's something that we can work with. So to my greatest surprise, when she sent the screenshot of the notice she got, I was surprised. I was expecting policy violation like inauthentic content or reused content, but to my greatest surprise, I saw unsatisfying or off-putting content. I was like, what is going on here? So I went ahead to make my research on the YouTube help page and I saw something close to it: unsatisfying and off-putting content. But when I click on read more, it took me to the most famous page on YouTube, and this is the July 15, 2025 update. As I'm making this video, this particular page hasn't been updated by YouTube. Regarding this new update that they have made. So I have to go all the way to X to know what creators are saying on X. And surprisingly, the first post I got was this from Mario Juice, and it says, YouTube is finally tackling its massive low effort content issue. As of a few days ago, YouTube has updated its new monetization guidelines to aggressively go after certain types of channels with their new unsatisfying or off-putting content policy. So I went down and this one was like 21 hours ago. Which one is now unsatisfying content again? YouTube. So you can see the message here with the reviewers' feedback. So, but there's something that was somehow, something that was interesting that I wanted to know more about. Like here, this creator, Gami, she said, why does the reason for my suspension keep changing? Ever since I reached out to your team here on X, the violation suddenly switched in my dashboard to unsatisfying or off-putting content. I have the screenshot of both conflicting notices. So here we can see on our dashboard, it initially showed inauthentic content, and then afterwards it switched to unsatisfying or off-putting content. So something is going on. Is it that this is an error, or YouTube is still trying to test things out? And like I said, if you go to YouTube's official help page, there's no new update on that page. So but this particular policy or this content policy is already taking effect. So let's go deep into this creator that complained about this change. That is the Gami lady. So on her page, this is what her page looks like. Already her channel is already demonetized, and I believe this is, she's making AI content on her channel because, okay, let me just click one of the videos.
Here are 5 Bible verses to...
So this is one of our videos. So this is AI generated content. Then another creator that I also check out. So this is Ray Dogs. So here he said, I saw in my other channel, Wrestling Ray, that was demonetized. You change the inauthentic content for unsatisfying or off-putting content, which makes even less sense. I post reviews about wrestling events under my own perspective. Please, can you help me? So this is it. And fortunately, the YouTube team are responding to some of these creators on X. So if you have this problem, I think the best place to reach out to YouTube is to go to X and tag them when you make your post. Then let's now go to this channel, this Wrestling Ray. You know, the interesting thing here is that this content is not AI generated content. This is real wrestling content review. So as you can see here, this is not AI generated content. This is real wrestling review. So what is this category? What is it all about? So from the little I can get for now, before YouTube releases their official update on their page, this is what it looks like. It seems we have three categories. The first one is the generic and repetitive content. Then the second one, this is the unsatisfying or off-putting content. So as of making of this video, we are not sure if these are individual policies or if they are categories under the inauthentic content policy. So YouTube will come out later to clarify this. And the third one is the AI personas on sensitive topics. So I would like us to go straight to this one, that is the unsatisfying or off-putting content. So what it means is that when you make content that is emotionally manipulative, shocking, misleading, or designed to disgust or upset viewers. So what this means is that videos that rely on strong negative emotions, cheap shocks, clickbait promises, or deliberately distressing content without adding clear educational, documentary, or transformative value. Then why is it a problem? It exploits viewers' emotions, spread misinformation, or wastes viewers' time with content that feels manipulative or deceptive. So in all, what I can clearly gather is that this particular segment or this particular category of this policy, what it means is that it has something to do more with the viewers' emotions. So if the kind of content you make on your channel has something that will negatively affect the emotions of your viewers, that could be a problem. So these particular terminologies or these policies, in most cases they are vague. You can't define the boundaries. So there are a lot of gray areas. So as a creator, especially if you're into AI generated content, you must be careful what you make. And we all talk about faceless content. It's high time you start making, when you are making your AI faceless content, make sure that you have more of human input into your AI content, like voiceover. If you can get a good voiceover, still use, try to use human voiceover. If you can make it possible, just try as you can, because the creator that reached out to me, she's into the African folk tales, and her content is great, very, very great. But I was surprised that her channel was hit with this new policy or this updated policy. So in all, we need to be careful. We need to wait to understand what this is all about. And if you want to know more about you want to follow up on this update, I'll be sharing a lot more information about this update. So if you're not subscribed, you can hit the subscribe button. So let me know in the comment section, have you experienced this on any of your channel, or do you know someone that has experienced it? And if you don't know any way to go about it, just head on to X. So that's all I have in this video. I'll be giving you guys updates as they unfold. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video.